Greetings everyone. My name is Ersin Dinçelli. Today I will be presenting our research in which we examine whether browser-based cryptocurrency mining can be an alternative to online advertising. Website monetization has been the cornerstone of the internet economy. While there are various revenue sources, such as advertising, donations, and subscription fees, advertising has become the most common method for monetizing website traffic. However, it has also afflicted the internet from many perspectives, most importantly, users' privacy. The excessive intrusion of privacy as a part of targeted online advertising has created a growing concern among users. For instance, the use of ad blockers has increased by 30% globally in 2016. Such strategies, however, create challenges for both users and providers. In this research in progress paper, we examine whether browser-based cryptocurrency mining could be an alternative revenue source to online advertising. We collected focus group data and we used topic modeling to analyze the perceptions of potential users to identify security-related concerns regarding BCM adoption. Overall, successful implementation of BCM can be a viable revenue source to replace online advertising and even subscription fees and micropayments. There are already a few examples of BCM applications on the internet. For example, Showtime, a popular video streaming site, and the Pirate Bay, one of the largest torrent sites, are two examples that openly engaged in BCM for a period of time. Our preliminary results show that BCM is closely associated with security concepts, as we explain in detail in the remaining of this presentation. Let's define some of the important terminologies first. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptographic functions to operate as a medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies are not issued or monitored by any financial institutions or government. A distributed and decentralized peer-to-peer network, also known as blockchain, serves as a transaction ledger to secure and maintain cryptocurrencies. When a cryptocurrency transaction is made, these algorithms need to be verified within the peer-to-peer network. This verification process is called cryptocurrency mining. To verify cryptocurrency algorithms, miners solve complex computational mathematical problems. The miner who solves the problem adds a new block of transaction to the blockchain and is awarded cryptocurrency for the effort. In a sense, miners compete with each other to solve these mathematical problems. Therefore, a large amount of computing power increases the rate the transactions can be verified, leading to a greater profit. However, increasing the mining power increases the cost of mining due to electricity or hardware costs. Since websites have thousands of visitors and some websites, such as streaming services, require visitors to remain on the website for an extended amount of time, BCM can be used as a cost-effective method to create a large-scale computer resource for the mining task. Traditionally, cryptocurrency miners use dedicated hardware and a software that needs to be downloaded to mine cryptocurrencies. However, with the recent advancements on the hardwares and also the new cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, BCM became a reality. BCM is a method of cryptocurrency mining that takes place on a browser through a JavaScript code. This code is embedded on a website. Based on this setup, when a user visits a website, the browser runs the JavaScript code that performs the cryptocurrency mining operation using the visitor's computer processing power. The figure illustrates the BCM process for monetizing website traffic. In the BCM model, the website provider keeps the profit of mining and passes the cost of mining to the visitors in exchange for ad-free or premium content. Since BCM provides a cost-effective way of mining cryptocurrencies for websites, as the mining task is distributed among many visitors, it can be an economically viable revenue source. BCM has several advantages for both users and content providers, such as increased privacy and increased user experience. BCM can also be used as an alternative to subscription methods. Previous research has shown that BCM has a potential to surpass online advertising profits if the visitors stay on the website more than 5 minutes. Similarly, Hun et al. 2019 showed that when users are informed they are likely to agree to cryptocurrency mining in exchange for an ad-free experience. However, while providing privacy for users and increased user experience, several uncertainties and perceived security concerns associated with BCM are limiting its widespread adoption. In this study, we used topic modeling to analyze the perceptions of potential users and identified security-related concerns regarding BCM adoption. We collected data from online focus groups. Participants were recruited from undergraduate classes for this research in progress paper. We asked questions regarding BCM, including whether the participants are familiar with the concepts of cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency mining, whether they would use cryptocurrency mining as an alternative to online advertising or subscription fees, and what they think about these kind of practices in general, and whether cryptocurrency miners will threaten their security. Our preliminary results show that BCM is closely associated with security concepts such as attacks and malware. The BCM process is also related to concepts like system resources, hidden, and compromised. The preliminary results suggest that for the successful adoption of BCM, service providers need to be more transparent about the BCM process and its use of system resources. Preliminary results and previous literature show that BCM has a potential for being an alternative for online advertisements. However, given the newness of BCM, currently it's not known what kind of factors may influence users' adoption processes. Future research can build on the topics identified from the analysis of the completed data. For instance, one venue is to examine the relative importance of these factors in the adoption with a model testing approach. Another venue to use the identified topics is from a design science research perspective. Studies can create an IT artifact in the form of a website that addresses the user's concern. Both venues would build on the topics identified and provide a more granular understanding of the BCM adoption process. Moving forward, we plan to collect data from a more representative sample of Internet users, and we want to include analysis of privacy concerns of advertisements and also BCM processes as well. Thank you.